Amazon affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way for beginners to earn money online by promoting Amazon products. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Sign up for an Amazon Associates account. Visit the Amazon Associates website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide your basic information, including your name, email address, and website URL. 2. Choose your niche. Decide on the products you want to promote. You can choose from a wide range of categories, including electronics, fashion, beauty, and home and kitchen. 3. Create your website or blog. You'll need a website or blog to promote your chosen products. You can use platforms like WordPress or Blogger to create a simple website or blog for free. 4. Install the Amazon Associates plugin. If you're using WordPress, install the Amazon Associates plugin to make it easier to add product links and banners to your site. 5. Find products to promote. Use the Amazon Associates website to search for products in your chosen niche. You can also use the Product Advertising API to find products and get detailed information about them. 6. Create product reviews and guides. Write detailed reviews and guides about the products you've chosen to promote. Make sure to include product images, features, benefits, and pricing information. 7. Add product links and banners. Use the Amazon Associates plugin or copy and paste the product links and banners into your website or blog posts. Make sure to include your affiliate ID in the links so you can earn commissions on any sales made through your site. 8. Promote your site. Share your site on social media, forums, and other relevant websites to drive traffic and potential sales. You can also use SEO techniques to improve your site's ranking on search engines like Google. 9. Monitor your earnings. Log in to your Amazon Associates account regularly to check your earnings and see which products are performing well. Use this information to adjust your strategy as needed and focus on promoting high-performing products.